Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the perfect soft workout top? I have it right here. This is from GRAMVAL, and this is an absolutely gorgeous and really flowy, cool top. It is made from a rayon, spandex, and modal cotton fabric, so it's super soft. Not only does it feel soft just when you're grabbing it, but also when you're wearing it. I love that the sleeves fall just under your shoulders so it stays nice and cool. I'm normally a tank top person, but I found from wearing this top it is so cool when you're wearing it and you're getting your workout on. The top also has a beautiful tie back feature. So the back is split and you can opt to tie it looser or tighter depending on the look that you're going for. It also has another insert that's right above the bottom that just makes it really pretty and flowy. This fabric is super soft, and I especially love this lavender color. It's just so buttery and soft looking. They have other colors as well, and to be honest, I love the top so much. I would love about 10 more of these shirts. If you're looking for a workout top that is going to really be nice and flowy, this would be great for whether you're doing a yoga class or even a higher intensity fitness level because of that really cool fabric. You're never going to find that it's too hot when you're wearing this top. But this top is just absolutely perfect and so cozy to wear. And that's my point of view.